Check out this GE free range gas oven and stove. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and really hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So if we go in, we can see that there is an oven light that we can use, and then we have 4 gas burners on top of the stove. Now each one is labeled front, rear, or rear and front over here, and this is in accordance with these stoves on top. Now it's a very nice finish, and these will actually remove as well if we ever needed to get underneath them and clean. So also with the oven, we can go to any temperature we would like, and the oven is pretty big inside. You can see that there are several shelves with the grates in there, and it really is a pretty large oven. So again, if we turn on the light, it then lights up the oven inside, and we can actually see what is being cooked within the oven at the moment. And if we needed to broil anything, this is where we would broil that item. There's no storage underneath, but this is where you would need to broil the food. You can place this within any kitchen as long as there is a space for the oven. So again, this is just an amazing stove and oven, and I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.